Hi guys, how you doing? My name's Jim Beggs. I'm 53 years old and I come from Scotland, and I recently completed Raphael Palmdale's Genius Trading Masterclass, and I want to give my video testimonial. What I want to do first, before I go into the testimonial, is tell you a little bit about myself and how I arrived here. For 30 years I worked in the entertainment industry. Primarily I was a screenwriter writing for TV and movies, but also moved into fight arranging and stunts. And I've kind of lost count how many times I've been shot, hung, stamped on, thrown downstairs, you know. But at 53 years old, you're kind of getting a bit old for that stuff. And the industry was changing. So last year at 52, I walked out. I never looked back. But the thing was, I had nowhere to go. So I became a cleaner, which is exactly what I'm doing just now. And about 6 months later, the fear started to set in, you know. Oh my God, what am I going to do? You know, I'm not young. I don't have a trade, and that was it. So suddenly I thought I was going to be a cleaner for the rest of my life. And that, you know, wasn't good. And about 5 months ago, a friend introduced me to Forex trading. And so I stocked up a trading account and off I went. And very, very quickly, I lost 2 of my 3 grand. And I was like, right, okay, so this is a no-go. And then I heard about Raphael's masterclass. I've only just completed it, like I say, but yeah, it's the biz. It's really the biz. And you know, it's exactly what I needed. I couldn't believe it when I was reading how many mistakes I had made when I lost my 2 grand, you know. I was like, Jesus. But what I love is the camaraderie between traders in the chat rooms and the forums. Yeah, it feels like a real family. Unlike the entertainment industry, excuse the shaky camera work, I forgot to charge my Osmo. Unlike the entertainment industry, where you're always looking over your shoulder, somebody's trying to steal your job, somebody's bad mouthing you to get you the sack or whatever, everyone that does the masterclass and everyone that's in the rooms, they just want you to succeed. And no one wants you to succeed more than Raphael. The reason I told you about my past and my age is because when you're 53 years old, you think, this is it, you know, I can't do much more. But after completing the course and, you know, getting involved with the other traders and stuff, I actually feel like, you know, I'm restarting. You know, it feels like a real chance. It feels like this is it. You know, I only wish I'd discovered it 30 years ago. And, you know, during the demo, I was making, you know, to me, what was crazy money. You know, I'd make in a day, you know, what I'd make in a month when I was cleaning. It's madness. You know, and since I started trading, I've only had a few days, but yeah, the results have been just unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I'm not doing anything special. And I know I'm not anything special, because you look on the forums, the results, and you know, there's guys and gals blowing it out the water there. It's absolutely amazing. It's phenomenal. And that's all down to the course. It really is. It's all down to the course. It's unbelievable. And my biggest problem when it came to trading was cutting the trades short if they were going bad. I had a real habit of going, no, it's going to turn round, it's going to go in my favour. And, you know, I lost a lot of money. Basically what I do now is, you know, I absolutely stick to my stop loss, my take profits, and you know, I don't deviate. I just don't deviate. And if it's all going really bad and it's heading towards the stop loss and it doesn't look like it's going to stop, I can pull that trade without any hesitation. You know, I will take that hit. Small losses, big gains, Raphael says, and he's damn right. He's damn right. It's phenomenal. I want to give my wife the life she deserves, and that's my motivation for doing well in the trading. And you know, she's just my best friend, she's my soulmate, and yeah, I want it for her, not for me, for my wife. I just stopped the camera there to let these folk pass, and when they were passing I heard someone say, I have to get my credit score up. And it shows money's, you know, it's like everyone's problem. And this trading masterclass has just opened doors that I just wish everyone knew about. You know, all these people that work hard, break their back. You know, I just wish they knew about it. It's, yeah. So, you know, the financial goal is within 3 years I want to make more than $1 million. And I want to buy my wife the house she's always wanted in the Highlands of Scotland. But that's it. I want to make more than $1 million after tax in 3 years. And Raphael helped me work out, you know, through compound interest, just how it can be done. And now that I've started trading with the knowledge that the course has given me, and know that even while trading, I go back to the course and reread all the time. And I won't stop reading the course, and having lifetime access to that and lifetime access to the forums is just invaluable. You know, you know, what you pay for it is just, it's pennies. It's absolute pennies to what you can make. I made in one day trading for real the entire cost of the course, and then some. In fact, I think it was almost double the course. So yeah, that's my financial goal in 3 years. 5 years, you know, God knows where I'll be, you know, even better. But 3 years I want to have £1 million after tax. And there's no doubt in my mind the Genius Trading Masterclass course will get me that. No doubt. No doubt. Unless, you know, I do something incredibly stupid or I deviate from the rules. That's the only way it won't happen, is if I go off the road from that Raphael's told me to take. That's the only way it will happen. If I stick to the rules and obey the course, there's no reason why I can't have a new chance at my life. You know, it's not like I had a bad life, but I'm now looking ahead. I had a great life, but I'm now looking ahead at, quite frankly, a fucking amazing life if I want it. And, you know, I have done this course and I have recommended it to so many people, and 2 of my friends are going to be signing up very shortly to the masterclass. I know it's not all about money, but it's about, for me, it's about financial security. You know, when you get older, you know, you don't know what the future holds. You know, when you're in your 20s, your 30s, you're okay, but when you hit your 50s and, you know, you're looking at your 60s, you think, shit, you know, what if I end up in an old folks home or something? Who's going to pay for that shit? You know? So, yeah, it's, and you know, one thing I want to say is, since starting this, it's given me the motivation. I've bought a multi-gym, I go out running. You know, I've turned not just my financial life around, my whole life around. You know, my wife can see an incredible difference. You know, it's just, yeah, and I smile a lot more. I smile a hell of a lot more. So, I just want to say to the, you know, the entire forum, thank you for being there for each other. Thank you for being a real team, a real family. And you know, and I throw in a question and you come back and you're totally selfless with your answers, and you're a real help to an old fella, a newbie like me. But I particularly want to say to Raphael, you know, thank you so much. You are just changing my life at an age, I keep saying it, but an age I never thought it was possible. I never thought it was possible. And you motivate, you help, you want everyone to succeed, and you know, you're just the biz, mate. You're just the biz. And I can't say any more than that. But yeah, so that's it. So I'm going to go home and kick back and have a few beers. But from a beautiful sunny Scotland, and I keep looking at this, the camera's there. I will learn. See, I'm not the quickest on the uptake, and yet I'm making money with Raphael's course. If you haven't signed up and you've seen this video, I'm telling you, Don't waste any more time. Sign up. Right, from Scotland, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.